feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Nice
Like once.
the color
Life move fast and you know what you
and
want.
the see such a little
Yes, I'm doing what I want.
$5 gets you.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. I know we've been MIA, but it's not really. There hasn't been much to vlog about, so that's why you guys haven't really been seeing a video. And plus I've been under the weather as well. Oh my goodness. And the weather just kind of been just crazy. It's just been raining like crazy out here, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And you know, just trying to get some stuff back on track. We've been busy as well, so that's why you haven't really seen us. We just got a lot going on, but I guess later on down you guys will probably find out. That's if I decide to come back and talk about it, and you guys will see it. But if not, then it is what it is. But anyways, we're about to go swimming. It's Pop swim day today. I am exhausted. Pops didn't go to bed until after, what time did he go to bed? I think after 2 last night. Oh Lord, he went to bed after 2. So with the teething and the not sleeping and the late nights because Mario works nights. Oh, so but yeah. So it's just been crazy. But let's head out now, and yeah, gonna go grab something for dinner, something just quick and easy, because yeah, we have groceries here, but what we have I don't want. Hi Pop. Yeah, say good morning. Say hi. Say good morning, guys. Oh, you show them your hot dog. Yay. Are you ready? Yeah. You ready to go swimming? Go ask yourself, put your shoes on. Put shoes on, please. Go ask yourself to put your shoes on. Yeah, you go put your shoes on. Put your shoes on your feet. So, yeah. Oh Lord. So that is what we're doing. And of course I end up switching around the room again. Yeah, I was like, you know what? It's time for a change. So switch the room around. Yeah, I like change, so I end up switching it, and that's pretty much it. But let's get going. Still green out. The colors are starting to change. Yeah. Yeah, you see the season's starting to change. For this year Thanksgiving, I don't even know what we're doing. All I know, we're not doing no big dinner this year. Yeah, got a lot of things going on. This house is in shambles right now. Oh, you got your shoes on? Are you ready? Yeah, what are you kicking that for? That's not a ball. That's not a ball. You gonna play football like that? Yeah? Both you, yeah. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's get going. So we've made it in the car. Okay. Oh, we made it in the car. I just strapped Pops in. Let's get going. Are you ready, Pop Pop? Ready? You see yourself? You see yourself getting trouble? Yeah? 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 Okay, guys. We will catch you guys swimming. Say hi! Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Oh gosh, he's a little bit grumpy, but I knew he was gonna be grumpy, but that's okay. Okay, we're gonna get going. We have about 10 minutes to reach where we need to go. Swimming starts at noon. Yeah, so we'll catch you guys at swimming. Just finished swimming at Baba. We're going to go pick up Faith. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up Faith right now because Faith's gonna go pick up her passport. Man, if you're trying to get your passport, get it well ahead of time because the wait in Canada to get your passport is ridiculous. It is taken almost 6 weeks later from the time we put in our passport to get it. Rissa just got hers. Yeah, so the wait is long. So if you're thinking about getting your passport or it needs to be renewed, try to renew it early because the backlog is crazy. Papa, say hi, guys. Say hi. All right, so yeah, we're on our way to go grab Fate now, and yeah, we will see you shortly. See when we go get her, and then we're gonna just, like I said, gonna go stop and get something for dinner. Yeah, I got something we want to make, so I want to make this, so that's what we're gonna do. I need to get Romario diapers, but you know what, I'm gonna have to. we are doing the potty training, but Romario is a little bit not having it. Yeah, not having it, but he's been trying. But the funny thing, he does not like the diaper. He's always coming out of the diaper, pulling them off. He doesn't like the wetness on his skin, but yet he won't stay on the potty long enough to use it. He'll get up off the potty and then use the bathroom beside the potty. Yeah. So then we have a whole mess to clean up. Oh, did you see, what do you see, a dragon? Did you see a dragon? Roar! All right, so when I pick up Fate, I'll be back, guys. Roar! Say bye! You say bye? Romario? No, I guess he's not gonna go say bye. But yeah. Oh my gosh. So we'll catch you guys then. Fate and Romario, all the stuff in here because they put in new shelves and stuff.
Three is superhero.
Oh, look, they have pumpkin flavor. You know, so I'm gonna come in here to get them, but it's because it's on sale. Let me pick it up for our thing. Oh my gosh, really, these were on sale. Now they're back up to $8. Okay, I'll just get the small one. Paying something. Switch out the cheese. What about cheeses around it? Ooh, put a nice little and a smoothie. Make it smoothie. This is mango, banana.
You see May? Oh, there's.
Yeah, mangoes right
Thank
there.
you.
Sorry, is it okay if I just grab a cheese? Sorry. Here we go. Thanks. Oh, sorry. Okay. I got cheese. Ice cream. I wonder if Papa would like these. Here, I'll go buy one and try them with this. These are French toast, cinnamon, French toast original. Yeah. I'll get 2 for him. We got this. I'm gonna try him with them and see if he likes them. Stop screaming. What are you screaming for? Right, so we are home. We are home. Home. La, da, 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 da. So, thank you. Oh gosh, let me show you guys the new passports.
Let me see.
So these are the new Canadian passport. Cute. I actually like the color and the thing. But
did you knock yourself or no?
The colors, they have different colors on the insides. It's really nice. And the back is really like the one where your picture's on is really hard.
Let me see.
But let me show you. You guys want to see Faith's picture?
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Face.
It looks good.
The one in color.
Mario. Papa.
Yeah, I love it. It looks nice.
Let me see.
Rissa's one came out nice too.
Ew.
Makes me want a new passport. Where are you reaching for juice?
Yeah.
Look at the wind. It's like blowing hard out there. I'm dropping through there. So yeah, let me show you guys what we got for groceries.
This is your mug shot. I'm joking.
One bag, almost $100 later. Hold on.
Bro, I served.
Bread. So I got something there to make chicken burger tomorrow, and then we got hard bread. I got regular bread, and then I got garlic bread. So I got Alfredo sauce. It came out to $85. So I'm gonna try times this. I don't even know how much items, but and then I just got this to make the chicken sandwich. So this thing not expensive. And then of course I got this. So because we like eating pancakes with whipped cream. Yeah. And got some cheese, and then I got these for Pops to try for breakfast. Cause yeah, so I got 2 of these. So I got one and then original. And then we got cheese and then milk for Romario. And then I just got pasta and this. And I ended up getting some scallop. Yeah, so we're going to make some scallop, and then that's it, guys. That is it for groceries. That's what I just spent $85 on. $85 on. guys, so this is what $85 gets you. It fits on the stove. Yeah, that's it. So see, just a few little things. $85 gets you in Canada. How is it going on your end? So, as you see, I just showed you guys a grocery haul of what I just bought. And now I'm just kind of hanging out, just kind of relaxing now. Oh, Lord. Yeah, so I'm kind of relaxing. I'm going to go get some editing done. And yeah, I'm gonna edit this video. So I'm gonna start editing it and get it at least halfway edit and done, and then we're going to cook. And I guess I'll show you guys dinner. The process of Fate's gonna make dinner. Yeah, because I cooked yesterday, so Fate's cooking tonight, or I'll help her. Either way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, a lot of people have children, elderly parents or grandparents that they have to take care of. A lot of people are on disability. A lot of people are preparing to have a family. A lot of people are probably on the verge of an eviction notice or homeless. Now I'm just here relaxing and just watching TV. And I'm gonna do some editing. So that is what I'm gonna do for now. And I have the thing that I have to do later, but I'll get that done at a later date. But yeah, that's pretty much my days. Like, and I do other stuff behind the scenes, so that's pretty much it. So I'll catch you guys when we're about to meet dinner. I'll come back. Yeah.